I've been creating videos on YouTube and TikTok for the past 6 years. This led to the growth of so many channels while working with clients. I will show you 3 AI websites I personally use to create my content. All of them are completely free, open source, have no watermarks or credits, and have no production limits. Here is the most important thing most people miss. I will show you the exact ways to use them, which they don't do, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Because at the end, I will share all the links and sources, so you can access everything without falling into those fake free AI traps. Before I show you the tools, take a look at these. Videos generated. These videos were generated with the use of very basic prompts, yet the quality, resolution, and animation are so powerful that you may think it's paid for. Now, before I show you the free websites, I want you to subscribe, follow, like, and comment on this channel if you are enjoying this video tutorial. Alright then, let's get started. We will begin with tool number 3. This is the most basic one. Then we will work our way to tool number 1, which is my absolute favorite. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Qwen 3.5+. Now, click on this website to visit it. Once you enter the homepage, click on Try Qwen Chat at the extreme right-hand top. And at the top right corner, click on Sign Up. From here, you can create a new account, or you can simply continue with your Google account. Now, after you have registered and logged in, you will enter the interface. You will notice that the interface looks familiar, and that is because it is very similar to ChatGPT. But this one is open source and offers many pro-level features. Now let's generate a simple image. Click on the plus icon and select Create Image. Go to the prompt bar and type a simple text prompt like, "A dog walking on the road." Then click the upward arrow at the extreme right-hand side, which represents Enter. You can see that it has started generating the image. Now that the image is ready, it is time to convert it into a video. Click on the Create Video within the dog's image. Then write again on the prompt bar, "Dog is walking on the road." Hit the Enter button as usual. Now the image has been converted into a video. What a marvelous process! The movement and animation are smooth and flawless. Even the background sound is perfectly generated. Then to save this video, you can easily click on the download button below and download it directly to your computer. To see what others have generated, move toward the left sidebar menu and click on Community in the Community section. Here you will see the videos and the images generated by other users. Now, let's talk about the second website. Open your Chrome browser again and type in Hugging Face. Then click to visit the website. At the extreme right top, click on Sign Up to create an account. After logging in, look at the top menu and click on Space. Now you've basically opened the treasure box, where you will find almost every type of AI tools. Literally everything. You can refer to it as an AI marketplace, where developers share their tools. Here, there are tools for image generation, video generation, language translation, 3D modeling, text analysis, code generation, image editing, and more. But for now, let's center our focus on video generation. Click on it and scroll down, and you will see many tools which are video generators. Some may not work, but most of them work perfectly and will allow you to generate videos. Example, let's click on this LTX2 video Turbo. Once opened, click on Image to Video, then upload any image of your choice, and under it, where the prompt box is located, describe what action you want the image to perform. For example, he is smiling while reading. You can equally adjust different settings here according to your needs. I will pick Zoom In, then click on the Generate Video button. And the AI will start creating your video. Here we are. The video we've generated is ready to be used. To save the video, click on the download icon to download and save your video. As you can see, no credit system, no generation limits, no hidden fees. You can go ahead and explore many other tools here. Finally, without wasting so much time, let's move to my favorite video generator. You must have heard about it already, but trust me, I'm going to show you something most of you don't know. Before we move to the last website, give this video a like. Follow us, subscribe if you've not done so, and drop your comment. This really helps the video reach more people and equally supports the effort I put in making these tutorials for you. I do appreciate that. Now let's move to this, my favorite video generation tool. Open your Chrome browser and search for Meta AI, then visit the website. Once on the website, log in or register if you've not done so. After logging in, you will see images and videos others have created using this tool. At the upper left-hand corner, you will find all the available options. To generate images or videos, click on Create. Click on the plus icon to upload images. Click on the drop-down menu, select Video, and write the prompt you want the AI to use to generate your video. For example, bring this image to life. After that, click on the Animate button. And here we go. The AI has generated an animated video from our image. Let me show you what this tool is perfect for as an advanced user. Let's generate a few images first. Select the image type, choose the ratio, and write a prompt like this: Egyptian warriors walking in a forest. Click the Generate arrow. As you can see, we have generated several images. Very amazing in Outlook. Now, if you want to turn them into videos, simply click on Animate within the image. Then let's animate a few of these images as well. All right, now let's check the results. Whoa, that looks really smooth and fantastic. You can download the videos from here. You can see how fast the generation is. The best is that they are free, no credits attached, and unlimited generation as well. One more important thing, don't confuse this tool with Meta AI and WhatsApp, though they are related, but this platform is more advanced and gives you many more features than the one inside WhatsApp. Let me show you one more powerful feature. If you want to create a longer video, open any of the videos you've generated. On the right side menu, you will see an option called Extend. Click on it and the AI will continue the video. So these are the 3 websites you can start using today for your content creation. This happens to be my first video on this topic. I would appreciate your support if this video reaches 100 likes. I will make another video where I will show how to generate multiple images at the same time. This makes content automation extremely easy, especially for individuals running multiple channels. The tool I'm going to show you is 100% free, and in that video, I will equally explain what type of YouTube channels you can use it for. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe, follow, leave a like, and comment, and it will be yours in the future upload. See you next time.